Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Konggal sangma ula pentim. Haga jingelang jong ke Kynhun menteri kabalalong mentakala sengiu belai ke kendai terik uno pra arajar arpusau. Pakila don hadu khatway teli kimat Ïakren kibakum ke Kynhun menteri kalaya mirjingmut badru kala rai. Habaya Ïakren mat kinong thok khubor hadin ke jingelang dan kaliang Konrad ula pentip bakum ke Kynhun menteri kalaya Ïakren ru halor ke telong penbiang umbam umdi ke bahapok ke skim jal jiven mission hapok ke jelaming halia namar hapok ke ni ke skim sam umbam umdi jong ke Sorkar India daki hajar kelur teligi jingdon kam la penbiang haki benta bapher badan kamru ban Pynneh pensa bat kat kum ke thong hi jong ke Sorkar India ki jilla bapher ki deban wanra ya ke Saindur nang benta ban penbiang ban Pynneh pensa ya ke ni ke kabu hakabide bat kene kindon lai benta ki ki baladap ban penbet ha ka ba an boru ya ki top ki bahe bat nakini an pen poiru ya ki shikishnong ki thau nalor kane nakaliang ke Kynhun menteri kala rai ruban pen kelala ni pen thamai ki kindon jong ke Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Rules arajar arpuar da kaboong bakat kum ki kindon ki balabu da katrat penroi sor jong ke Sorkar jela kin trekam hadu shisnem Henry mentala haban penjelan biang kenang baan la aman penlong yagi election MDC bat kajing penkela kabala ajing mut kalong ban ailat ya ke komiti ban beteng hadu ondara penlong ya ke election.
We just had a very long cabinet meeting. There were total of 11 agendas that were discussed and decisions were made. The first decision was regarding the operation and maintenance policy and manual for the rural water supply system under the JJM in the state of Meghalaya. As you are aware that under the central scheme of JJM, thousands of crores worth of infrastructure has been set up in different parts of the state. And it is important that in the long run this has to be maintained properly, and hence as a requirement from Government of India, it was mandated that every state must come out with an operation and maintenance policy and manual for the rural water supply scheme under JJM. So we have prepared that, and under this there will be 2-3 different sections where the water supply and the overall water tank maintenance will be one section, and the distribution lines in specific villages will be a different section. And it's a very massive manual, so it will not be possible for me to go through all of that. But what is important to note is that we have come out with this manual and the cabinet today has cleared it. We have also come out with an amendment for the Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation Street Vending Rules 2022. In this, basically, the vending committee that was set up till the point in time that the elections would take place, as per the rules that was set by the urban department, was valid for 1 year, and hence therefore we had to extend it so that elections can take place. So hence the amendment that has been proposed is to allow this particular committee that is there to continue till the elections are held. So therefore earlier it was valid for only 1 year, but now we are since the elections of the street vendors to the town vending committee, it could not be held as the surveys for the street vendors has just been completed. Hence the amendment to Rule 5, Sub Rule 3 is proposed to be amended, where the amendment as mentioned will be that they will allow the committee. The duration of the town vending committee constituted under Rule 1 shall be till such time as the election of the street vendors to the town vending committee is completed on the basis of the survey undertaken. So this was a second decision, an amendment basically in the rules that was made.